A solo HVAC tech loses more time from paperwork and scheduling gaps than from actual service work, especially when everything is tracked through notes, texts, and memory, instead of a single system. By the end of this, you'll know what software actually matters for a solo HVAC business, what features remove daily bottlenecks, and how to keep your schedule, invoices, and customers organized without hiring office help. Running solo means the software you choose replaces parts of an office role. If it doesn't save time every day, it's not worth using. The first thing you need is scheduling and dispatching in one place. This means every job, time slot, and customer detail is stored in a single calendar instead of scattered across messages. This matters because missed appointments and double booking usually come from switching between tools or relying on memory. The second key feature is mobile job management. You need to see job details, customer history, and service notes directly from your phone while on site. This reduces callbacks and prevents mistakes when you're moving between jobs all day. The third feature is quoting and invoicing in the field. Instead of waiting until the end of the day, you can send estimates and collect payment immediately after the job is done. This improves cash flow and reduces unpaid work sitting in your queue. The fourth feature is customer history tracking. Every visit, repair note should be attached to the customer profile so you can quickly see what was done before. This is important because repeat HVAC issues often require context from past service visits. The fifth feature is automated reminders and follow-ups. This includes appointment confirmations, service reminders, and payment follow-ups without manual messaging. When comparing software options, the main difference is between basic tools and all-in-one field service platforms. Basic tools handle one part of the workflow, like invoicing or scheduling. All-in-one systems connect scheduling, job tracking, invoicing, and customer history in one place. For solo HVAC businesses, integration matters more than individual features because switching between apps slows you down during peak work hours. The most important factor is reducing admin time. Every minute spent on paperwork is a minute not spent on billable work or new jobs. A practical next step is to map your current workflow from booking to payment and mark every step that requires switching apps or writing things manually. That shows exactly where software will save you the most time. If this helped you understand the best software for running a solo HVAC business, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of contractor tools and field service systems.